Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. I hope you've been well. And I have this makeup look to share with you in this video because I woke up feeling old school glamour. I've been inundated with loving Dita Von Teese, and she's been all over the internet with her new book and her new show, her new lingerie. I'm so proud of her. I love burlesque, and I will be performing burlesque right here on this channel with all of my other dances. I'm so glad I kept my fans, and then I will go vintage shopping, take you with me, and get outfits that I can use in my burlesque striptease and have those outfits tailored to me. So yes, I hope you enjoy this makeup look. This makeup look had me channeling, to a certain extent, Dorothy Dandridge. No, I'm not saying I'm paralleled with Dorothy Dandridge. I don't think we have the same similar features. But nonetheless, I was feeling that type of old school glamour for African Americans back in the day. And for some reason, my hair was feeling it also.
and your fingers.
Even without the lashes, that is a pretty look. I'm filming near a window and I'm getting lots of light on this side. For those interested in how I got this curly look that is right on time with my feeling for Dorothy Dandridge, and the beauties of her era, I co-washed my hair with various conditioners, and I used this Apogee product, which is a leave-in conditioner with provitamins. It's a provitamin leave-in conditioner. This is the holy grail. I pull that out if I'm experiencing any little bit of breakage. And I wasn't, it's just that I thought my hair could use the protein treatment. And I used this to define my curls. And I shared this with you in a video before. This is Sulfur 8's Medicated Original and Scalp Anti-Dandruff Hair and Scalp Conditioner. This little product creates the definition that you see here. Oh my goodness. And I use these curl formers to get the curly look for my twist out. Plus I dried it to make sure I could film this video this Monday morning. And nothing like red lips time. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you so much. Bye. Oh, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Guess what? I finally got one, and it's red. Matching my lips. Oh my gosh, I'm really red. Bye. Besitos y abracitos a todo el mundo. Little kisses and